Yo, yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. Was a tough stream yesterday. I was very tired. Wait, let me just check my stream actually. I need to check the music if it's too loud or not. I was very tired. Wait, let me just check my stream actually. I need to check the music if it's too loud or not. I was very tired. Wait, let me just check my stream actually. I need to check the music if it's too loud or not. This is Big L right now. I did not check this before. I did not check this before. All right, I get so confused when I check my own stream, like for real. I'm gonna have to turn this up to the max probably, and then this down. Yep, like this. Yeah, that's perfect, I think. All right, now you guys got some music as well. So yesterday we did a lot of special effects. Today we're gonna do some more. And I actually have it written down as well. We didn't get finished with the Rasengan and the timings were kind of off. Well, of course not the Rasengan, the Basengan, right? Because copyright. Let's check this. Also, I hate this animation right there. I need to change that for sure. All right. Hello, right now I'm scripting. Yeah, you can see it right here.
One fight.
This is very loud. No, not that, bro. So yeah, I made that. It doesn't get removed, dude. So this is what I'm scripting. I'm scripting an auto battles game, like you know the ones from your mobile phone maybe. With a twist, with some twists from other Roblox games and also my own twists as well. I'm taking inspiration off of not Raid Shadow Legends, but like that type of game, and then also like the anime tower defense type games, actually. So that's my inspiration for the game at least. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually the UI because this is not right. But everything seems to be working just fine. Yeah. It's just that. Alright. For this, we're gonna have to open up the Play UI backpack. I don't know if anybody watching can actually get anything out of this, because I'm already a bit far into the game, but I guess you can learn from how I manage my stuff, and also I use a bit of AI, just like I give it all my code, for example, and I get it to do something like, what could it be? It could be something like, management, or maybe some comments or something. So yeah, that I use that. It's pretty good actually. I definitely recommend using Gemini and the Pro version as well. By the way, tell me if the music is too loud, because right now I can see it's peaking. So, all right, let's enable the visibility on the backpack and also on the unit inspector. Yeah, so I'm not a fan of this. This is not my proudest creation right now. Got the rarity label. Gonna probably put this up to here and also middle that. This should probably go like here because there's gonna be some text on the bottom of that. Just to check it, we're gonna have to take the visibility off of these. So I made a fully working summoning system, and I also made a fully working backpack system. I can't even hear myself. And I also made the fully working combat system, of course. The summoning system is supposed to be a bit different, because there's supposed to be gem summoning, which is what I'm doing right now. And then there's supposed to be gold summoning, which you can upgrade your tier and so on. If you played Hearthstone, you probably know what I mean. I wasn't even supposed to go in battle. Oh yeah, this is definitely something I have to work on. While you're in battle, you should not... Could open your backpack, maybe? Yeah. Yeah, this is close to being perfect for now. But yeah, as you can see, you can finish a whole battle. Right now, he's way too OP because he's level 5, the enemy. And he creates enemies that are level 4 and 5. And my units are, of course, level 1. So, of course, I'm going to lose that battle, even if I use my extra damage system. Yeah, but now we have the backpack at least looking okay. So, we can start working on the special effect module, which is what is playing all the sounds and effects and so on. So it gets created at the left arm at the right location, but it's not perfect yet. Of course, we have to create a tween actually. Tween cells create. We're gonna just name it first. The Rasengan TS effects, I guess. Rasengan effects, and we're gonna put some tween info. Tween info.new. We should create the time first. So it takes about 2 seconds for it. Takes around 2 seconds, yeah. There shouldn't be any styles on this. Unless it needs style. Does it need style? No. Okay. So then we can just create the table. And we need to put the position. No. The size. And we also need to put the rotation actually. Because we want it to be rotating like a reference to the Rasengan. So right now the rotation is like that. I think we just have to try some numbers out and see how that works. And also the size. We have to change some stuff here. Probably like make it 2 or something for now. And the rotation as well. And my last stream got fucking obliterated since it's not enabled in every country, like every country actually, because I use some Spotify music which you cannot for some reason, which makes sense. But yeah, copyright issues. Basically. Right now that it got rotated, that's why it's weird, this one. Because it got rotated that way. So we can probably just change the middle to like 360 or something. Let's see how that works out. Just for reference purposes. Let's get a lot of units so we are sure to trigger at least once. I never played it, that's why. I was so confused right there. What the fuck? It's been a long day at work. Yeah, that's why I don't like the animation. Because when you press something, it's supposed to go away. But the animation kind of like... Oh my god, he's way too broken. No, he's one-shotting my units. No. Oh my god, what is this? And Resident can go. Yes. So, as we can see, it only creates it on the main thing, which is very sad, because that's not supposed to be how I want it. That is not supposed to be how I want it. That is definitely not supposed to be how I want it. At all. Alright. I'm actually surprised that anybody even finds this stream. How did they find it? Anyways. We need the effects right. I don't know if I want to do this, but I guess we don't have a choice, do we? We don't. Definitely don't have a choice right here. Oh, we don't have a choice. Nope. Let's try this out. Let's just see how this works. Well, actually, I don't even need this because I'm playing it right away. By the way, if you guys want to see any tutorials on anything, I'm thinking of beginning making videos again. just for the fun of it, I guess. But I'm kind of like, what should I make? What should I make?
Three, two, one, fight.
Yep, use your ult. Okay, but their size constrained to the one. Yeah, there. Yeah, that's because, okay. We need to check if the Rasengan children is... I could fire it instantly, but yeah, we want to do that because we don't want another table. If V is a... what is this? Is this what I think it is? It is a mesh part. If V is a mesh part, then we can do the effects on the V. I guess, yeah. Yeah, because it's gonna get the children anyways. Yep. Now this should be good. I have so many scripts. Jesus Christ.
Three, two, one, fight.
Oh.
Three, two, one, fight.
And then when it hits, we can actually just do it again. But we need to wait until he hits the model. So this is gonna take 0.2 seconds, and this is gonna take 0.2 seconds, and we don't need any rotation. We do not need any rotation. And we just need the size to get bigger, and also we need to make the transparency of the objects. Transparency equals 1. Transparency equals 1. I don't know if this is the best way of doing it, but we're doing it like this anyways. This is probably not the only way, but it's probably one of the best ways as well. And it's on the client, so I don't care. Get a better PC. Alright. That's actually very good. I'm very, very, very satisfied with this. So I'm gonna go get some water and be right back. Alright. Alright. So there's one more thing I need in the Rasen gun, and that's actually just a simple blue circle. I don't know if I'm even supposed to be recording this. I don't know if that's a good idea, but if nobody's watching it, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, alright, we got the circle. And also, we want to create the circle force. So local circle equals Rasen gun FX folder. And wait, child. No. Just the circle. And we need to clone that. Circle. By the way, and also game get the add item, Rasen gun FX, and 4.02 seconds. Yes, 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 yes. All right, perfect. And also the circle dot parent should be the should be. What the fuck? Why the head? I think it's lost it. Just a title model here. Alright. Circle. The. Yeah, it would be C frame, yeah. It's actually circle, yeah. Circle.C frame equals. No. Just a position. But it's a circle, it doesn't matter. P is super doesn't. But that would mean less work for the computer. Alright. Why the head? I think it's lost it. Why the head? Alright. And it should stay there. Which means, because of the animation, we're gonna have to do another world. Fuck. And we cannot just, okay, yeah, we need to do this. And there's no other way. Circle. Perfect. What is this? Why Christmas? That's not Christmas, that's a birthday song. Alright. Game.db. We can just add it down here.
Er det sådan noget med lyd?
Hvad så?
I batteriet på din cykel, hvor er din nøgle? Den skal pille af. Det er jo 2 ledninger, der er rykket ud.
Okay. Er det 2 ledninger, der er rykket ud?
Altså, det er en ledning, der er rykket ud. Der sidder en ledning med sådan en knap inde i din håndbrems.
Nå.
Der går sådan en ledning ind i. Og den ledning, det er sådan, at når du trykker på din håndbrems, så slukker når du trykker på din håndbrems, så slukker motoren.
Ja, når den så bare blinker.
Ja, men
det er på der er løs forbindelse.
Den der ledning der, når den ikke så har forbindelsen, det er sådan en knap, der sidder sådan en knap den der, inde i din håndbrems, så man kan trykke sådan her, frem og tilbage.
Jamen,
og når den bliver trykket ind, så slukker din motor.
Jamen, det er ikke derfor, den slukker.
Jo.
Nej, fordi det er
jo, fordi der er ingen forbindelse. Den forbindelse, der er inde i den der knap,
nå, okay,
den aktiverer ned til din motor.
Alright.
Det giver mening. Den der er god.
Okay, det giver mening. Tak for.
Den du har fået røget ud. Men jeg skal lige have det løjet.
Ja. Okay.
Og det kan man ikke gøre, når der er batteri, det er sat til.
Nej.
Det er en dum idé at gøre det.
Ja, det giver mening. Tak for.
Jeg ved ikke, om jeg kan lave det. Jeg skal prøve sådan en ting.
Ja. Alright. So. We got some effects we need to put in a table, just to make it easier for the player, I guess. So game.debris, add item, effects table, just to keep it clear. And we need to add everything inside of that for 2.2 seconds. And when we make an effect, we can just put the effect inside of the table, right? Effects table. No. Table. But insert. The table, yeah. And the value. And everything inside the table. It's probably just like this, right? We're gonna have to check that. So we're also gonna have to destroy the worlds after this. This will make it much easier for us to destroy everything whenever. And we're also gonna have to destroy this world as well. Nice, I think we have everything in the table. So now, whenever we don't need this anymore, just destroy it. And we're doing that with the game debris. So this right here is not necessary anymore, which is good. So yeah, this is where it's supposed to be as well. What the fuck was I doing before? I was doing something very dumb. Cause we need this first actually, and we also need that first, to be honest. Okay. So now we can create a tween for the circle as well. And just to keep it real, all these sizes should be kept the same, and they should definitely not start out like this. They should definitely start out like 3.64, 3.64, 3.64. Boom. Right. Now we can. I think one is fine, but we can always change that. And this is supposed to be for 2 seconds, not 0.2. I hope this effects table thing works, and if it doesn't, we're gonna have to do some more. But it probably doesn't work this way. And for this, we're just gonna absolutely make the circle big, and also transparency. Yep. All right. I think we have it working. I think we should have it working. Rather than unless there's any errors, of course. Just summon the legendary. Well. Nice. Good thing I didn't place 4 characters of 5. Yep, there it happened. That's the thing. Okay, so I don't know if you can do this, but let's see. Table, insert, Google, Roblox. Somebody's calling me. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back, but he's probably gonna call again. So we are going to need some table dot remove, I think. I want to do it this way because it's way more clear for the eyes. That's a tuple. What the fuck is tuple? Oh, I'm an idiot. So, whenever we remove something, we can just do effect sable and do for IV do. Yep. And no. I hate Roblox coding sometimes. Like Jesus Christ. We need to add game to be for everything inside of the table. As simple as that. V 2.2. So now we're adding in everything inside the table to a game debris, which should work now. Bro, why is my mind so slow today? Let's quickly see what units have spawned. Okay, they're all pretty high level, so let's get some more units.
3, 2, 1, fight.
This is actually fine for the effects. That's fine for the resin gun effects. I think we pretty much got Naruto done actually. Gee. Alright. That's sick. That's very, very, very sick. Naruto effects is done. And everything gets destroyed. Actually, I was wrong about this. We need the effects to go after that. Just move it to the character and then do the effects. Which makes sense. So.
Three, two, one, fight.
I think there's a level 1 unit.
3, 2, 1, fight.
So I'm gonna win no matter what here, but yeah. Should do 15 damage to my units as well. And right now it's not the right rotation as well, which we can easily just change. Altså,
Hallo? Det kan ikke få fat på dags, hverken over Discord eller over telefon. Men Alec, jeg ikke har ringet til, han ringede til mig og sagde, at han kommer herned, men han går.
Okay.
Eller heroppe. Han går heroppe med en bånd. Så ja, finder vi ud af det.
Fair sag.
Yes. Men kommer du, eller bliver vi?
Så jeg sidder lidt og streamer. Jeg har lige tænkt mig at streame i 18 minutter mere.
Nå, ja, det er bare jo.
Det er den. Hey.
Yes, det er.
Alright. Perfect. Everything is looking pretty nice. It's just that it creates a damage number way before it should. Which is a bit annoying. So, for this, we can just change. And that's only for the... Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's focus on what is a real problem actually. Let's focus on the actual module. Something like this is supposed to be different. Special info, and we should get the effect duration. Alright. Oh, that's pretty perfect. So now we got the special text working, which was what we needed. We don't really have anything else to do right now. Until I get. Yeah, of course we have something to do, but I think we got what we needed to do done today on today's stream. I'm probably gonna work on it after the stream as well, but that's gonna be later. So for now, this is everything. So if you watch the stream, thank you. Thank you a lot. And if you enjoyed it, smash the like, smash the subscribe button or whatever. And see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.